Welcome back to the Pineal Room. I'm your urban eco master. Today I'm going to prepare this homemade shampoo and conditioner to treat my hair. So here in my bowl I have some rosemary and clove extract. They're like, I make a tea with the rosemary and clove. And I'm going to use it as the base for my shampoo, but I'm just trying to use some of it now just to moisturize my scalp and get some of it into the cells of my scalp. No, but I'm going to use this as the base for my shampoo and conditioner. So this is some rosemary and clove tea. I am also going to use my aloe vera. In Jamaica we call it Cincle Bible. So I'm going to add some aloe vera as well, because aloe vera is just like, it's pretty similar to sea moss gel, right? So it is laced with all these alkaline minerals, right, and vitamins. And you know that these are actually functional vitamins, minerals, and amino acid. I'm also going to add half of my, we call it civil orange, sour orange, half of my civil orange to the entire thing. Nice. I'm also going to, so this is what my mixture is looking like so far. Then I'm going to blend this for about 10 seconds. That's it. What I'm going to do now, I am going to add some baking soda as the base, supplement the leading base, because what I have the actual base, then I have a leading base and a supplementary base. So the leading base is the sea moss, supplementary base is the aloe vera. What I'm going to do now is add the sea moss. So here's my sea moss, and I'm going to add my sea moss probably about, that's about it. Now I'm going to blend everything together for about Alright, I'm going to add a little bit more baking soda to this thing. Alright. Then I'm going to blend again. And then I'm going to top it off a little bit with little tea tree oil. Just a little bit. Just a little tiny amount. Alright. Then blend again. Nice. Alright, so now I'm going to pour some into my calabash. And the aim is to have this, massage this into my scalp. See? I'm slowly going to massage clove, rosemary tea blended with aloe vera, baking soda, and sea moss. And at the end, we add a little bit of tea tree oil. So massage it into the scalp. And this thing has a way of also removing dandruff, fungus, because the clove is great at removing bacteria, unhealthy bacteria. And the rosemary has antiseptic properties as well. Tea tree oil is super at removing unhealthy microorganisms. Wow, even my nose start to run already. Woo! This is it. You want that mucus to start to run as well too, you know. So just doing this. You see this simple shampoo? You don't need the host of chemicals that you cannot pronounce, and everything that goes in your hair seeps through your skull, get into your brain, move right into your throat, into your mammary glands, into your reproductive areas. So you have to be careful what you're putting into your scalp and onto your hair. This is why I don't promote perming, and I am not a fan of false hair. I know exactly what the system is doing. You are psychologically programming your womb and your own self and the child that you will bear. Alright? So, don't ask about where are the men at. Ask where are the healthy wombs at. And the clean and enlightened sperm cells. Alright? So this, see this? Great shampoo. And you can also add some to the beard, you know. Yes, Ja. Why do you think you can add the beard tonight? Add the beard, man. Yes, Ja. And what you can do now, yeah, I'm going to wrap this. You see this? You can let this stay like this for about 20 minutes. And then you go shower. You know, so it's like you're feeding the follicle, the hair follicle. You're feeding the hair, and you're nourishing the skin at the same time. And if you are consistent doing this, trust me, you will have the difference even in your mood, your hair growth, everything will change. You see, these simple little things will change the game. See, it's homemade shampoo. Condition in one. You saw me make it too. You see, these guys only add some little fragrance to these things and some things that preserve it and keep it so that it's stable on the shelf for a longer time. And all these things are poisons. You see? So by the time it gets to you, you have just a bottle of poison and the active ingredients actually breaking down and gone. You see? So, homemade, handcrafted for you, and you can share it with your family members and your neighbors. So look at me. Thank you very much for watching, and I'm going to wash this out and do it another time and let you see what I'm doing. All right, thank you. I'm out. I'm the Urban Eco Master.